Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to join an AUT Trading Discord server easily. First, make sure you have an active Discord account set up. This is the essential first step before attempting to join any server. You will need to be logged in to accept invitations. Having your account ready saves time and ensures a smooth transition into the trading community. This process takes only a few moments. Next, you need to find a reliable AUT Trading Discord server. A good starting point is using a search engine like Google, typing AUT Trading Discord to find official or well-known community servers. You can also check game-related wikis or popular forums where players share server invitations. Always double-check the link source to ensure it is legitimate and safe before proceeding to click it. This step is crucial for security. Once you have a verified invite link, simply click on it. Your Discord application or web client will open, presenting you with an invitation screen. This screen typically shows the server's name, a brief description, and the current number of members. Take one moment to confirm this is the correct server you wish to join. Then, click the Join Server button to officially become a member of the AUT trading community. This action is usually instant. After joining, your first action should be to carefully read the server's rules and guidelines. Many servers have a dedicated rules channel you must acknowledge. Some may also require a quick verification process, often involving clicking an emoji or answering a simple question. Once verified, you can explore the various trading channels, general chat, and other community sections. Engage respectfully and enjoy your new AUT trading experience with hundreds of other players.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.